How to charge laptop with HDMI or USB-C. Right this moment, most laptops have gone Wi-Fi, making it potential to be cellular with the mandatory laptop computer. However, typically you may discover an electrical outlet. The one choice is to connect your laptop computer with a USB-C and HDMI wire. Can we connect laptop computer with HDMI? There's an excessive likelihood that your laptop computer charger might malfunction at an important second. At that time, you won't be capable to rush all the way down to the shop and seize a brand new charger, so the place does that go away you. The unhappy half is as quickly because the laptop computer battery is down, you receive it be capable to do something together with your laptop computer until it's powered up. So at this devastating second, what's your different? To reply the query, sure, you may connect a laptop computer with HDMI if you will discover a tool that helps it. Gone are the times of being stranded in case your laptop computer charger malfunctions. Supplied you could have a laptop computer that has an HDMI port, you might be good to go. How to connect laptop computer with HDMI. Charging a laptop computer with HDMI as the primary choice will be revealing to you. In such circumstances as misplaced or malfunctioning chargers, observe these steps to connect your laptop computer utilizing an HDMI cable. Step 1. It's a must to be sure that your laptop computer has an HDMI adapter cable and an adapter or connector for changing HDMI. If it doesn't, this different charging supply wouldn't be purposeful for you as a result of, without the connector or port, the HDMI wire is virtually ineffective. So step 1 is to make sure the wanted sources can be found. Join the HDMI cable to an LCD TV that helps HDMI, use the HDMI connector and join one other finish of the HDMI cable with it. In case your laptop computer has an HDMI port, this methodology is finest for you because it doesn't require many equipment. You'll solely want a few issues to connect your laptop computer utilizing an HDMI cable. By this implies, a laptop computer may be charged, in addition to a pocketbook and Chromebook. Step 3. Double-check the connection to see if the HDMI port works flawlessly. If you happen to discover the laptop computer come on, meaning the laptop computer is efficiently charging. If not, you must disconnect the HDMI wire and reconnect it to the laptop computer till you discover any distinction. If all you're getting is static, it would imply that there's an issue with the ability supply. To make use of this methodology to connect your laptop computer, you want just a few issues, resembling a TV that helps HDMI import and an HDMI cable. On your connection, plug within the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI, and join the HDMI adapter cable together with your laptop computer port. Laptops come together with specialized charging adapters that provide to control voltage and present for charging your laptop computer. In typical conditions, HDMI is used to view films on the massive display and high-quality audio methods. HDMI gives a small quantity of voltage or present, which will not be appropriate for electrical home equipment. Nonetheless, charging your laptop computer utilizing an HDMI adapter is simply really useful if you're poorly caught someplace. In any other case, it's suggested to utilize the charging adapters that include your laptop computer. Can we connect a laptop computer with USB-C? That is additionally a typical query requested by many individuals. This solely depends upon the kind of USB port your laptop computer makes use of. In case you're at present utilizing a wired mouse or wired keyboard and also you unplug one, you'll get to see an oblong connector on the finish of the wire. That is the steel piece that's being inserted into the PC. This is named a Type-A USB connector. That is the most typical USB connector, and at any time when USB is talked about, chances are you'll rapidly consider USB kind A. For example, your cell phone is utilizing a USB kind A connection. Sadly, Whilst you effectively use kind A USB to your smartphone, it can't be used to cost your laptop computer. Sorta exchanges a large quantity of information, but it surely is not able to conducting the super quantity of energy wanted to cost your laptop computer. Sorta cannot ship sufficient wattage. Nonetheless, USB 3.1 gives a connector referred to as USB kind C or USB-C completely different from kind A. Kind C is extra of an oval form. It's designed to switch excessive wattage connection, which implies it may possibly transfer extra energy than kind A can, even a lot quicker. Lengthy story minimize quick, you receive EP capable to cost your laptop computer utilizing USB kind A, however you may cost your laptop computer with a USB-C connection. How to cost laptop computer with USB-C. In case your laptop computer has a built-in USB-C port, you may cost your laptop computer with a USB-C connection cable. You solely want to make sure that the cable has a plug adapter, a box-shaped plug on the finish of your telephone charger, then plug into an outlet. Most laptops make use of a USB-C cable as their fundamental charger. To cost your laptop computer utilizing USB-C, kindly plug in finish of the USB-C wire into an outlet, then plug the opposite finish of the USB-C cable into your laptop computer. A chunk of cake. So long as you could have full-time entry to your USB wire, however that is perhaps a problem. What when you don't have entry to any? Sadly, buying a brand new USB-C cable will not be simpler than shopping for a brand new laptop computer charger. And stopping by at a PC retailer will not be potential sooner or later, for example, if you're caught on a Caribbean island for a marriage ceremony. However, every time you cease buy at a marketplace for a brand new laptop computer, you may contemplate buying one with a minimum of a USB-C port. The USB-C connector is growing in its reputation. It's protected to presume that sooner or later to come back. Most laptops can have USB-C ports in them, and this may result in the elimination of USB kind A. The purpose right here is, sooner or later, extra individuals are prone to have USB-C cables, so there's a higher likelihood of somebody to lend you one when you mistakenly lose yours. As of now, you must discover somebody with the precise kind of laptop computer charger you could have, which is perhaps barely tough. Additionally, USB-C chargers are step-by-step turning into essentially the most well-liked laptop computer chargers as a result of their smooth, sturdy, quick, and environment-friendly. To not point out, most units are USB-C supported, so when you by chance break the one to your laptop computer, you may borrow the one to your printer or energy financial institution till you exchange the damaged one.